Hey, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today, we're looking at how to build out a window casing in case your wall is just a little bit bigger. So in this case, we had a brick wall. We're gonna put electric, and so we added these 2x4s, and so now we need to build the wood casing around the edge. We'll show you how we did it. So for this project, I just use a 1x product. Now this says I'm just trying to go as wide as a 2x4. This is 1x4 is what I'm using here, and I'll rip it to length. So what I've got is I've got a piece that's roughly the size. Just set it in place, and then I make a little mark. It's okay if it's a little bit short because there's gonna be another board that's gonna go up here. So if this is a little bit short, that's not a problem, but always practice your cuts, might as well. So now we've got our mark. We're gonna go ahead and put a square on it. Easy old speed square. There's our mark. We'll take that out, cut it with the saw, and then we'll bring it back in. Here's a piece that Dad just cut. Beautiful. Then, if we were gonna do a sill, we could just leave it just like this. That could be our window sill. But for this case, we're actually gonna do casing that wraps around the window. So, there's a little trick that you do to cut this.
One of the challenges is that this might not be quite the same depth, and you can see it's not.
Yeah, this end is a little bit, overhangs a little bit more.
So, regardless,
Old house, crooked walls.
if we just draw that line, then we know where to cut.
So if we just cut that out, if we rip this board along that line, it'll fit in. Beautiful. And there it is in place. So we have the top and the bottom cut. Went ahead and nailed those in. And if you get the nails in really close to the edge, you don't have to worry about caulking those holes. I went ahead and put a nail in the middle too, just because this is a 30-inch window, so I wanted there to be another fastener. But to finish, to fill in as few holes as possible. And you probably will wanna like caulk along the seam here and touch up some paint, any imperfections on your treated piece. But we've got that nailed in, so now we go ahead and measure for the inside pieces, and this is also gonna help support this piece. It's gonna hold that piece up just a little bit. So that's why we measure the sides last. So once you do the build out, you're ready to install your casing. I just took my measurement from inside to inside, and these are all just 45 degrees. You can hold it off of your build out by like a 1/4 inch. I chose to make that flush. Just caulk and finish. There you go. That is how we built out this casing to accommodate for this slightly thicker wall. So comment down below if you have any ideas, tips, or tricks on what you do to build out a window casing like this. And in the meantime, subscribe for more content from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.